Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Ford Ranger 2020. Have a look what happened inside. Right. I'm going to start the car. Have a look the screen. You can see the fuel low and the spanner light on. Basically that's why customer problem, and he said spanner light on. He don't know what's going on. However, like this problem very difficult to find out without computer. Right. I'm going to the computer and try to find out what's going on there. Right. I'm going to take a high speed scan report. Right. I'm not worried about the other thingy, only the engine management light. Right. You can see lost communication with instrument panel cluster control module and engine oil deteriorated. One faulty codes and another faulty code, engine oil deteriorated. Right. Okay. Here we are. Sometime if you're not maintaining oil deteriorated problem, or if you not sort out oil deteriorated problem, you might be end up with block DPF. Be careful, don't going to play with this warning light. If you see like that thing, you have to take action very quicker, otherwise you going to digging lot of problem. Then I'm going to start the car, going to check with the live data how is the DPF. Right. I'm going to check DPF pressure. At the moment, it's okay. Mine the 0.2. That's mean the DPF good condition. See the maximum suit load bit high. That's why sometime if you're not maintaining the that warning light, this is the ending story. Be careful, because sometime because just over the limit, but I had to send him as soon as for the motorway journey and have a look what's going on. If it not come back down, then I had to do the cleaning process. However, at the moment I'm not going to do the cleaning process. Then I know little bit higher than we expect. I'm going to take a photo for the my reference. Right. Okay. Then next step, I'm going to check the. I'm going to leave it everything as it is, and I'm going to check the oil condition. However, this customer came for a service also, well, then I'm not going to bother too much. But however, I'm going to check the oil condition. Have a look. Is it runny? Yep. See, it's bit runny and very black. Yeah, I can smell lot of diesel inside the fuel system. That's why it's deteriorated message came on. However, I'm going to do the full service, air filter, change engine oil filter. Once I do everything, I'll come back to you and show you how am I going to reset that warning message. Right, I done the service. The next step, I'm going to show you how we're going to reset the oil service message. Once you done the service, you need to do this step, otherwise you ending with the clog up DPF. Right, we need to go to the settings, and press OK. Then again select the vehicle, press OK. Then after that, go to the oil life reset and press OK. Then after that you have to press and hold OK button. I'm going to press and hold. You can see resetting. Oil life has reset. Okay, then go back. Right. Okay, then after that, now I reset the service light. Then I'm going to switch off and start the car. Right, no any warning for the oil service. You can see the spanner light also disappeared. It's not there. Normally you saw in the bottom line there is a spanner light. However, that light now disappeared. But I'm not going to stop from here. I'm going to take a faulty code again. Then I'm going to clear DTC. Before that, I forget it. I'm going to switch off the car, ignition on, and clear. Right, you can see now it's get green. However, we need to go there, enter, and you need to do one more thing. Otherwise, this light come back again. Go to the special function. And here you can see reset the oil change indicator. You have to do this one also definitely, otherwise you ending with again same thing. Press OK. Yeah, zero service carried out. Yes. Ignition off. Okay. Press OK. Yeah. See now this one also came to the 100. Okay. Right. Okay. Exit from here. All done. Now I'm going to switch off couple of time and start. Off. Start. Off. Start. Off. Ignition on. Go back. And again go back and take a high speed scan. See the under the engine control, nothing there. If you have a oil deteriorated problem, you know what to do. However, I show you how to do the general process, but after this one you have to take to the good motorway run at least 20 miles 30 miles, make sure everything okay. If it not, you have to check your DPF, because this DPF over the limit, hopefully it will come back. But if it too much block, onboard computer can't do anything. We have to do the sidekick for the clean the DPF, bring it back normal, make sure everything okay. However, this is my job at the moment. Customer doesn't want to go for the more, he don't want to touch the DPF, but done the job, hand over the car as it is, and I'll explain him how he need to maintain the system. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.